Before a criminal court can convict a person, the judge must be satisfied that the accused is guilty according to a very strict legal standard. This standard is known as the standard of proof. But what exactly does the standard of proof mean in criminal law? The standard of proof refers to the level of certainty the court must reach before declaring someone guilty of a crime. In criminal cases, the prosecution carries the burden of proving the guilt of the accused, and the law requires the prosecution to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. This is the highest standard of proof used in the legal system. It means that the judge must be almost certain that the accused committed the crime. If reasonable doubt exists about the guilt of the accused, the court must give the benefit of that doubt to the accused. This principle protects innocent people from wrongful convictions. During the trial, the prosecution presents evidence such as witness testimony, documents, forensic reports, and other materials. The defense then challenges this evidence through cross-examination and legal arguments. The judge carefully evaluates the credibility, reliability, and consistency of the evidence presented. The court also examines whether the evidence clearly establishes guilt and leaves no reasonable doubt. If the evidence clearly establishes guilt and leaves no reasonable doubt, the court may convict the accused. However, if the evidence is weak, inconsistent, or raises serious doubts, the accused must be acquitted. This rule reflects an important principle of criminal justice. It is better that a guilty person escapes punishment than that an innocent person is wrongly convicted. Because criminal punishment can seriously affect a person's life and liberty, the law demands very strong proof before declaring someone guilty. That is why the standard of proof in criminal law is beyond reasonable doubt. Understanding this principle helps citizens understand how courts protect justice and individual rights. Law follows procedure, and procedure protects justice as well as individual rights. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.